about biased societal judgment, thinking that it's more about the man than the woman?
Well, honestly speaking, I had a different perspective coming on this show. I spoke out, I lashed out against the man heavily. But there's a new turn in this whole thing. For some of you that don't know, there are tapes of his wife.
Are you serious?
Yes, yes.
The wife with other men or him and his wife together?
This same lady we were all feeling pity for and thinking, oh, hope he doesn't come home and give her disease and all that kind of stuff.
Are you serious?
I think it's, the problem here, I think it is us that's getting it wrong. It's their thing. Because the wife has tapes now with other men. And in fact, I'm hearing that there's another tape that shows him involved, the wife involved, and other people, and they're just passing themselves around. So I think the fault here is ours. We thinking or trying to judge them with their own thing. A society where husbands are allowed to sleep with other wives and wives are allowed to sleep with husbands.
But I even hear that they have such rendezvous in Lagos here. Anyway.
No, Lagos here is heavy.
Or Nigeria, basically.
Magodo is their headquarters in Lagos.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Where?
Yes, Magodo.
Why have you been there? How do you know?
This thing. No, well, I mean...
they actually have a headquarters?
They have a headquarters.
So what do they do there?
They just men that sleep with young boys.
Oh, married women that sleep with young boys. But are the husbands aware?
Husbands are not aware, no. But, I mean, if you're a husband and you're not aware that your wife is sleeping around, I mean, then that means something is wrong. Or it's a tight niche, a nice cartel where, I mean, everybody's having their fun. They know their husbands are cheating, so they all came together and be like, you know what? Our guys are doing these things. Let's just plan our own and have our fun. Trust me, any day this video or scandal comes out, I'm sure it'll be small in compared to what we are seeing in Equatorial Guinea.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Well, that's very interesting. These are just some mind-boggling revelations you have made here. But we'll dig deeper into that. But are there places around that do this kind of things? Where you said, you just mentioned that. Oh,
no. It's big in Lagos for a fact that I know. It's big in Lagos. I know of some people. I know of some areas.
Like when a woman wants to get satisfied, she knows where to go to?
I even know of some high-profile ladies that are married and enjoy these kind of explicit acts.
Are you serious?
Yes.
But they don't record, hopefully not.
No, they don't record. And if they do record, it's one of those you record and delete it immediately. Because I'll tell you something about recording yourself. There's a thing about going back to look at it, about your moves and your angles.
Is that the thrill? Is that where the thrill is?
I think there's a thrill to it. But we're in a society where we're still leaked. And
some of them have been here that they're even planted.
Exactly. But at the end of the day, it's a moral thing for me.
Yeah.
There are some things that should be done, there are some things that should have been done. But who are we to judge? If that's how they do their thing in Equatorial Guinea, big ups to you guys in Equatorial Guinea, big passos. You guys are the African giants in this department.
Yes.